Welcome back on this third part of Is It Matter? You'll be working with groups today. And to start off, do you know what the science book said to the math book? You've got a lot of problems. In your groups today, I know I'm amazingly funny. In your groups today, you're going to share your Is It Matter ideas that you made with your own tree diagram with an entire group. So the first thing that I'll need for you to do is I need for you to pause this video and decide from your table members who's going to be a reader, who's going to be the recorder, who will be the discussion leader, and who will be the cheerleader. As far as the job titles go, discussion leader is responsible that if people don't agree, which is going to happen, they may ask people to explain because you'll have to make decisions and be in an agreement. The recorder is the person that will be writing information on the whiteboard tables today. Cheerleaders will be stating one thing that your team did well to me once you are finished with your activity. And your reader is going to be reading the information from the sheets and kind of giving the group something to think about of where information goes. So go ahead and pause your video and go ahead and create this Is It Matter tree diagram on your table. All right, so here's how this activity is going to work. You are going to have a red card, and on the opposite side, you're going to have a green card. The reader is going to be saying 1, 2, 3, and then everybody show their cards up. For example, in the worksheet Is It Matter, one of the examples is rocks. And so if you think that rocks are matter, then you would hold up this green square. If you think that rocks are not matter, you would hold up this red square. And if you're not sure, you'll just make a choice at this point. If everybody is in agreement, then the recorder will go ahead and write down the word rocks right over here under this Is It Matter section. If they think it's not matter, they would write it under It's Not Matter. And if the group as an entirety is really not sure, then they would, if everybody's agreeing that it's not sure, then they would write not sure. If you have people that disagree, if everyone's not in full agreement, this is where the discussion leader will say, they'll state someone's name. Can you explain why you think it is or why you think it isn't? Please remember to be respectful during this discussion. You will repeat this step for all 26. Yeah, 26. 26 of the items that are on the Is It Matter. If you happen to get finished, once you do that, you are then going to take your group's tree and you are going to compare it to your own, and you're going to make changes to your own. You'll probably do this individually as you're making changes to your original activity. Once you've done that, you will then wait for everybody to finish. And then you're going to, on the bottom of that Is It Matter page, you're going to write, you're going to discuss what is the rule. And so have a discussion about what you each think is the rule and see if you can come up with an agreement as to what you think the rule is, or if someone can come up with what the right answer is to discuss the rule. So once you're finished with that, please make sure that you are going to take a picture of your tree map on the table. And please make sure that you take a picture of your original Is It Matter worksheet with your changes and upload that to Canvas as well.